As the investigation into the death of Mathews County's Commonwealth's attorney Marie Walls continues, we're learning more about the legacy she leaves behind. New details confirming Walls was found in her driveway, dead from a gunshot wound on Tuesday morning. Tonight, we're hearing from those whose lives were impacted by the prosecutor in and out of the courtroom. Brittany Miller joins us with more. Brittany.
Dana, a Virginia woman says after her life was turned upside down by crime, Commonwealth's attorney Marie Walls gave her kindness, comfort, and justice. Diana Denny Miller says she's overwhelmed with grief by the death of Mathews County Commonwealth's attorney Marie Walls.
Absolutely devastated.
Walls was found dead from a gunshot in her driveway on Tuesday.
We surely lost a good one.
Miller and Walls weren't family. In fact, 7 years ago, they weren't even what you would consider friends. Miller met the Commonwealth's attorney in a courtroom after she survived a threat to her life while doing community outreach for the homeless.
I was helping a homeless couple who had planned for 3 days to rob and kill me.
Marie Walls prosecuted the case when she worked as the chief deputy Commonwealth's attorney in Suffolk, getting justice for Diana Miller.
Thanks to Ms. Walls, they were put behind bars for a very long time.
Miller says when she first walked into Walls' office, she was a wreck, but remembers it was clear from office staff that Marie Walls was more than a prosecutor. She was an advocate for victims.
And they always reassured me by saying that I was in good hands. And I was.
Miller says Walls' comfort and care for her extended past the courtroom, keeping in contact with her even after the verdict.
It made me feel that I could handle the aftermath a lot better, knowing that, she cared enough to be there even after the trial.
Miller calls it a privilege to have known someone as kind and caring as Marie Walls. Though she wouldn't want to be in the position to be a victim again, the survivor says she'd trust Marie Walls again and again.
She has definitely restored my faith, not only in the human race, but with the justice system.
And Miller says one thing she remembers about the Commonwealth's attorney is that even when Walls had to be tough, she was kind. Brittany Miller, 13 News Now.
All right, thanks so much, Brittany. And Virginia State Police are investigating Walls' death. Authorities say there's no indication a suspect is involved.